Hi, this is Nick from Pluto 7 and welcome back to AI Minute. This week we're going to be exploring inventory AI. Let's put a minute on the clock and jump in. Inventory AI uses machine learning to ensure the supply is in the right place at the right time to meet customer expectations. Missing one critical component in supply can stop an entire production line. Having the right amount of inventory on hand is critical to keeping production flowing without having too much inventory that will eat into cash reserves. A manufacturer can anticipate a shortage of a critical component and make adjustments before production comes to a halt. A distributor can have better supply balancing across warehouses to reduce stockouts and shipping delays. A retailer can optimize their production cycle to make it more efficient for new styles and designs. Inventory AI automates decision making on supply availability so companies can focus on improving customer experience through innovative products. To learn more about inventory AI, reach out to us at pluto7.com.